Hello, yeah. This is a tutorial for how to extract an image from Google while actually getting it to be transparent. So we're going to do, let's say we want to look up cabbage dog, and then we go into images, and you're like, okay, let's see, I want this image here, but there's the white background, so we want to get rid of that. So we're going to copy that, and then go into Krita, make a new document, and we paste it in, and as you see, we get rid of the background here. There, see, get rid of that. As you can see, it has this white background here. I don't want that. So I use this called the Contiguous Selection tool. It's this one right over here, and you click on the background. Now, if you're lucky, it'll just get the whole thing, like on the edges here is good, but as you see here, it's selecting part of our dog. So this works, it selects similar color pixels. And these are too similar in color, so when we delete it, it was part of our cabbage dog, like, oh no. So the way to get around this is to go to tool options, you see it there, and then the threshold. If you don't have this, is under tools, let's see, it's under settings, dockers, tool options. You can't see it there, but yeah, so you see you get threshold here, and I'm going to change that down. Let's change that to like, let's try 1, might be too tough. Yeah, so 1, so if you have it too low, it doesn't select these like outer pixels here, so let's try like 4 or 5 maybe. And that's a lot better. As you can see, we're getting much closer here. Let's try 6. I don't know. There we go. So yeah, now we're getting a good coverage of the whole thing. And then you can just delete those pixels, and we got a pretty good outline. If you see, like, compared to the background, if we get like something like this, there is a little white outline here. So you'll just have to play around with the tool options. Let's see, yeah, the threshold to fix that. Another thing you can try is, let's go back here, is once you have it selected, you can press Shift F6. This is for the feathering like selection option. Oh, you can't see the pop-up. Anyway, yeah, so set a number and then you press OK, and that basically blurs the edges. So you see the selections here, but it's kind of like in between here. So when we delete, it's sort of a blurry edge, which could be a desirable effect in some cases. That's not what I want. Here, get underneath there. Yeah, so you see it's kind of blurred here. And you do see this outline here sometimes on the images, if you can see my mouse there. You can just use the lasso tool to get rid of that. Oh, wrong layer. There we go. Or maybe this might be able to get it. Yeah, that's the way you can deal with that. Or you can just scale it up such that you don't even see the outside edge. So if we were to crop, right inside that area, you wouldn't even see it in the first place, right? Get rid of that right there. So if you crop enough, you wouldn't be able to see it. Anyway, yeah, that is all. Good luck.